Namaste to all. Gurubhyo Namaha. This is my second video. In this video, I am going to mention some useful textbooks for our effective mathematics learning. I am very much familiar with the major mathematics curriculums of the world, like Indian curriculum CBSE, UK's IB and Cambridge. Of course, my state textbooks of Andhra Pradesh. Most of the writers write the books. Most of the publishers publish the books on mathematics, which are useful to fulfill our local academic needs. They are useful to get good score in these board exams, but they are not enough to fulfill the global academic needs of students. As experienced mathematics teacher, I am going to mention some textbooks. Number 1, Algebra by Hall and Knight. Number 2, Higher Algebra by same author, Hall and Knight. Next one, the best book for trigonometry is S. L. Loney. And to learn coordinate geometry or analytical geometry, I prefer S. L. Loney again. Next, calculus, which is going to be very, very important for higher studies. For the beginners, I prefer Thomas and Finney or James Stewart, or my favorite books for calculus, Santi Narayanan. For advanced level, I always prefer I.A. Moran, single variable calculus. After completion of these 5 books, then you can go to vector algebra, complex numbers, probability, and etc. etc. From my next videos onwards, I am going to explain in detail every concept as well as numericals also. Thank you very much.